My shower is currently leaking out right here out of the hose, out of the connection. And you can see it, I turned this on. I'm going to show you how to fix that. What I've done is bought a couple of neoprene washers. We're going to unscrew this. And then we look, there is a rubber washer here. Pull this out. And I'm going to insert a new one. I'm going to screw that back in. Gonna snug it with the pliers. And now I'm going to turn this on. And it was spraying water here. And so I'm not getting water here, but it looks like it's coming down from up here. You can see it's dripping here. I'm going to need to replace that washer as well. Loosen that with the pliers. This one does not even have a washer inside it. I don't know why. I'm gonna add a new washer. Screw that back on. And doing just a washer on there. And now we're gonna hook this back up. So we were getting water dripping down the hose. It was coming down here. So we're gonna turn that on now. So you shine up there. And now if we come down here, there's no water coming off of our hose. So if you're having a leak and it's coming from the connections, check your washers. It cost me 90 cents to put 2 new washers in here. This one was totally gone. This one was bad. So I have replaced those 2 washers. My hose is good, no drips, 90 cents. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching as always. Like and subscribe.